Scaled perfection allows for mass production of LPG gas cylinders without compromising a single unit's safety.
Witness the start of a massive transformation where raw crude components begin their journey to become LPG gas cylinders. Heavy machinery initiates the first step, feeding the massive systems required to create the world's LPG gas cylinders.
Construction is necessary for creation, as the raw inputs for LPG gas cylinders are reduced to manageable industrial fragments.
The sheer power of the crusher ensures that every fragment used for LPG gas cylinders meets the feed requirements.
High-speed separation begins here, creating the refined base material needed for high-pressure LPG gas cylinders.
Every crumb of raw material is accounted for, ensuring the purity and safety of future LPG gas cylinders. The mass feed system never stops, fueling the relentless production line that produces thousands of LPG gas cylinders.
Precision sorting is the backbone of quality, ensuring only the best elements form the core of LPG gas cylinders.
Magnetism acts as a silent filter, removing impurities to maintain the structural integrity of every LPG gas cylinder.
Speed meets accuracy, as advanced sensors identify the perfect components for the manufacturing of LPG gas cylinders.
Scaling up the operation, massive cranes move the refined stock destined to become professional-grade LPG gas cylinders. Compression creates efficiency, turning loose fragments into high-density blocks ready for the LPG gas cylinder's furnace.
The flow of materials is a satisfying sight, marking the progress of the LPG gas cylinder's production cycle.
Every batch is tracked with precision, guaranteeing the history and quality of the LPG gas cylinders. Inventory management at this scale ensures a steady supply for the demanding manufacture of LPG gas cylinders.
Preheating saves energy and prepares the atoms for their transition into the body of LPG gas cylinders.
The feed into the thermal phase is a critical moment in the life of LPG gas cylinders. Science and industry collide to ensure the density profile is perfect for the safety of LPG gas cylinders.
Human expertise guides the technology, ensuring the refining process for LPG gas cylinders remains flawless.
Logistics start in the yard, where the raw potential for LPG gas cylinders is meticulously organized.
Purity is pushed to the limit, removing every microcontaminant from the future LPG gas cylinders.
Order emerges from chaos as processed materials wait for the heat of the LPG gas cylinder's forge. The raw texture of the processed metal hints at the strength that will define the final LPG gas cylinders.
Chemical verification ensures the alloy composition is exactly what is needed for high-pressure LPG gas cylinders.
We enter the heart of the process, where heat transforms raw energy into the lifeblood of LPG gas cylinders.
The architecture of the tower allows for the precise separation of gases required for LPG gas cylinders. Extreme heat is the catalyst for change, refining the substances that will fill our LPG gas cylinders.
The molten flow represents pure power, destined to be captured within the walls of LPG gas cylinders.
Separation continues as residues are removed, leaving only the purest fuel for the LPG gas cylinders. Gas becomes liquid under intense pressure, a fundamental step in the creation of functional LPG gas cylinders.
Engineering excellence ensures that the energy stored in LPG gas cylinders is both stable and safe.
Rapid cooling and cleaning prepare the surface of the metal for the shaping of LPG gas cylinders.
Majestic and dangerous, the transport of molten material is a sight to behold in the LPG gas cylinders factory.
Immense pressure shapes the foundation of every cylinder, beginning the physical form of the LPG gas cylinders.
Precision cutting ensures that each component of the LPG gas cylinders is perfectly sized for assembly.
The familiar silhouette emerges as the metal is forced into the circular geometry of LPG gas cylinders.
Emerging from the fire, The shells of the LPG gas cylinders look like glowing works of industrial art.
Temperature management is key to preventing defects in the structural steel of the LPG gas cylinders.
Precise localized heating prepares the LPG gas cylinders for the integration of their critical safety valves.
The tempering process ensures that every one of the LPG gas cylinders can withstand extreme internal pressures.
Alignment is critical for the balance and stacking capabilities of the final LPG gas cylinder's product.
The sudden shock of water hardens the steel, locking in the strength of the LPG gas cylinders.
Seamless automation carries the LPG gas cylinders into the next phase of precision refining. Perfection is found in the details, as the exterior of the LPG gas cylinders is smoothed for safety.
The scale of production is matched only by the precision required for these LPG gas cylinders. Very atoms of the steel have been rearranged to form the protective shell of the LPG gas cylinders.
Precision machining begins, ensuring every edge of the LPG gas cylinders is accurate to the micron. Engineering perfection is required, as the critical ports for the LPG gas cylinders are bored into the steel.
No imperfection is allowed. Deburring ensures the valves of the LPG gas cylinders seal perfectly every time.
Ultrasonic waves penetrate the steel, proving the inner strength and safety of the LPG gas cylinders.
Laser precision creates a digital twin of each cylinder, confirming the LPG gas cylinder's perfect geometry.
Only the best make it through. Quality control is the absolute priority for all LPG gas cylinders.
Color-coded safety information is applied automatically to every one of the LPG gas cylinders for easy identification.
Cleanliness is vital for gas purity, ensuring the interior of the LPG gas cylinders is sterile and ready.
The mark of quality is permanently etched into the steel skin of the LPG gas cylinders. A durable shield is applied, protecting the LPG gas cylinders from the elements for decades of service.
Human oversight ensures the automated systems have applied the perfect finish to the LPG gas cylinders. The heart of the safety system is installed, as valves are precisely mated to the LPG gas cylinders. Sealed for life, the connection point of the LPG gas cylinders is tested for maximum pressure resistance. The ultimate test for integrity. Any bubble would mean a failure for the LPG gas cylinders. Moving with grace and power, robotics handle the heavy LPG gas cylinders with ease and precision.
Thermal imaging verifies that the tempering and heating phases of the LPG gas cylinders were successful.
The beauty of precision machining is visible in the flawless threads of the LPG gas cylinders.
The facility is a marvel of efficiency, moving LPG gas cylinders at incredible speeds through the process.
Every dimension of the LPG gas cylinders is verified against the master digital blueprint for total accuracy. The final seal of approval is applied, marking the LPG gas cylinders as ready for the global market. Scaled perfection allows for mass production of LPG gas cylinders without compromising a single unit's safety. Precision to the gram ensures that filling levels for the LPG gas cylinders will be consistently accurate.
Branding and safety marks are permanently etched into the skin of the LPG gas cylinders by light.
Professional standards are maintained through constant human vigilance over the LPG gas cylinders manufacturing process.
Logistics begins with smart packaging, ensuring the LPG gas cylinders remain pristine during their long journey.
Protective layers are added to secure the LPG gas cylinders for the rigors of international shipping and handling.
The scale of distribution is massive, as LPG gas cylinders are moved to fulfill the world's energy needs.
Authenticity and origin are clearly marked on every shipment containing our high-quality LPG gas cylinders. From the factory to the world, the journey of the LPG gas cylinders begins on the open road.
At the end of the day, thousands of LPG gas cylinders stand ready to power homes and industries.
The cycle is complete as the LPG gas cylinders are filled and ready to deliver vital energy.
Engineering the future, one cylinder at a time. This is the incredible process of creating LPG gas cylinders.